Hi guys, welcome to Quebec Night. My name is Olahari, and it's another video that will help you to ensure that when you are in the masterclass, you can take signals. I believe by now you must have joined a series of Telegram channel where they send signals, and you find it very difficult to take those signals. You see, when you are in a signal class, one way or the other, somebody is sending you signal, and that person is looking at something you don't know, right? But in this case, if you join my own masterclass, then I need you to also understand what I'm sending to you. Okay, whatever I'm sending to you, you have an idea. So this video will share more light, explaining to you how to take my signals. Even when I send signals, you know what I've sent. If I don't send signals, you know what I'm looking at, and you can also look at the same thing. It's very simple. So this is a checklist to take trades. Okay, this is a checklist. These are the things we need to check. 1 to 9, as you can all see. So I will take you guys through the process one after the other. So before I take a trade, I have to ensure that these 9 things are being in place before I take trades. Okay, and don't forget, trades is probability, right? But what we are trying to do is to ensure that we follow our rules back to back. We want to reduce the risk, but don't also forget that this strategy is also a scalping strategy. It's not for day trading, it's not for swing trading. So when you're taking my trades, you're not, the idea is not to stay on the trade for like the whole day or for weeks. No, the idea is to enter the trade, give it about 2, 3, 4 hours before it materializes, and you take profit or you take loss. And don't play with your losses. Take them very, very serious, because those are the things that will ensure that you are able to become a profitable trader. So let's get into this video right away. So number 1, mark the high and the low of the daily candle. So this is what you do. Just come to your trading view. If you don't know how to use trading view, I already have a video that will guide you on how to do that. So what will you do? You will just go all the way to 1 hour time frame. So this is, and don't forget that we only trade Solana. Okay, we only trade Solana. I will not send any other coin apart from Solana, right? So, and you'll probably see how everything's been done. So this is it. Now mark the high and the low. The question is, which high and low are you marking? So you're going to, since every candle represents one day, so you will mark the previous high and the previous low. Okay, so this is horizontal line. You mark it out. So you've done that already. So after marking it, that's all. So this is today. This is today's candle. This was yesterday's candle. So we are dealing with yesterday's candle, right? So let's go. Yeah, so if you've done that, then you've done well. So you have to be doing this every day. You must always mark the previous day candle if you are trading today. If you're trading today, mark yesterday's candle. So that's it. So the next one, number 2, understand the trend. Understand the trend. As you all know, that the higher time frame speaks a lot. Okay, now look at this. Understand what trend are we looking at here. So if you look at from here, down, up. So here it gave us a double top. It pushed to the downside, and now you can see what is going on here. Okay, it's now trying to push back to the upside. What does that mean? That means we're preparing to go up. Okay, so but let's see how far we are pushing to the upside. Then we need to know how far we're pushing to the upside. So we still have other things we need to determine that. So let's move to the next one. So since you already understand the trend, then the next thing will now be number 3. Check the trend on the 1H time frame. 1H time frame means 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, right? So the same thing. So let's look at it so we can understand what exactly is on this trade. Now look at this list. So we can see that from this angle we have a double top from here. Then we now begin to have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It continues all the way to this place, lower low, lower high. Now here it's very obvious that the market was what? Consolidating. The push is very strong. So let's zoom more so that we can understand what is here. So you can see that here the market looks like it's trying to break out to the upside, right? So this is currently where the market is what? Consolidating, as you can see. Yes, so we need to break out, pull back, then uptrend. So we have already understand the trend that we're in. So the next one on the list will be number 4. Number 4 will now be trade either the high or low of the previous day candle. So what does that mean? That simply tells us that, okay, what we are going to do is that we are coming here to trade. We are coming to this white line. That is where we are trading. Okay, any other thing that happens in between, because we have the internal structure and we have the external structure. Okay, but based on this scalping strategy, we are trading the what? Internal or external structure. Yes, so but at what point are we doing that? We are doing that at the high and the low of the previous day candle. Okay, so just note all this I'm talking about. So just in case you're still finding all these things a bit challenging, you can watch this video over and over again. So we've done that. So we already understand that this is what we are trading. This is our target. So what next? Use the 3-minute time frame for your entry. Okay, so we now go all the way down to where 3-minute time frame, because it's scalping strategy. Now what does that mean? Now, as you can see, 135.82 is the high of previous day, right? Now we need to confirm that. You can see that market has already played around this area. Now, but the question is, this place, it simply means that the market has already pushed out before pushing down all the way here. So let's understand that. So around what time did the market pushed out? The market pushed out around 5 a.m. That's very early in the morning. Now for crypto trading, don't forget that the market usually starts a new day candle. Okay, new day candle starts 1 a.m. Nigerian time. That's when you're sleeping. That's when a new candle is being formed. So that simply means that when you're sleeping, as the candle comes out, different things will surely happen. Okay, but let's assume that the trade has already gone, right? So now the question is, if you look at this place, are we trading the internal structure or we are trading the external structure? Had it been we're awake when this market or when this trade hits the previous day high, then we are coming here to short, but we did not meet that. But as we speak, the market is now approaching, as you can see, market is approaching up, down, up, is approaching where? The previous day high. Okay, so let's look at the trend one more time. Look at it. So the trend is what? Is very strong to the upside. Very strong to the upside. So you can see we have down, up, down, up, down, up. So we're expecting that this market will push to the up. We will break. Then after breaking, we might probably consider going long. But we are waiting for this trade, this candle, to hit the previous day high. Okay, so let's see how that works. So what's next on our list? So number 6, trade breakout and retests. Now what does that mean? That simply means here what we're going to trade, if the candle hit the previous day high, we're going to trade the breakout, retests, then up to the upside. Okay, then likewise, if it comes all the way down here, we're going to trade breakout, retests, downtrend. So this will be short. why this will be long. Okay, what does that mean? That means that we are trading the external structure. Okay, don't forget that the trend is also very important. Understanding the trend will determine where you are heading to. Where exactly are you heading to? Okay, so let's move all the way to number 7. Now our TP is around 2% or psychological level. So this is because it's a scalping strategy. So you just come here, click on this. So we have this. So this is the position 2. So we're going all the way to 2%. So if it breaks out and we test for us, then this is our stop loss. So let's come here like this. Okay, so this is going to be our take profit. So let's see, is it very close to a psychological level? Let's confirm. So this is 138 and this is 139. So since we have already achieved our 2%, then we'll stay at our 2%. So if it was above, then we are going to consider this $139. We're going to take profit here. Okay, so if you check the content says TP at 2% or psychological level, or okay, so it's either of the two. Yeah. So number 8, SL at 0.5. SL at 0.5 or support and resistance. So let's look at that. So if we are taking this trade, by the time this trade breaks out of this price, then this will be our stop loss. They said our stop loss should be 0.5. So as you can see, this is 0.5, right? 0.5. Then this is support. So the question is or. So it's either 0.5 or a support. But looking at this, you can see that by the time the market breaks out, okay, we have support. I think we have support around here. Let me show you. So support is around here. Can you see it? So as for now, it actually corresponds. Okay, it corresponds with our stop loss. So everything is on point. So we are waiting for the market to break out for us to take this trade. Okay, for this particular trade. Yeah, and trade, all trades are different. It all depends on how you want to go about it. All trades are very, very different. Even if you see another breakout and retest, they will not perform the same way. So let's see the next one. Number 9, which is the last one. Now, candle closure for pullback. Candle closure for now. This is an extra. This is an extra. Now, this was a new discovery. Now, on the 1 day time frame, okay, the idea is if a new candle comes out, this is the previous day. Now, if a new candle is coming out, let's say this is a green candle, the market will first pull back. If on the higher time frame, you know that okay, this is an uptrend, right? So there will be what? A pullback before the market will now push to the upside. Now, where do you determine that pullback? From the candle opening. Okay, so the previous candle will close while the new candle will open. Okay, I believe that you understand candle opening, candle closure and opening in a new video. That's like understanding candlesticks. Okay, so let's check the 1 hour time frame. So here, 1 day time frame, you come to 1 day. Now this is what we're talking about. Now for a pullback, now as we speak, let's use this to explain that example. I think furthermore, I will continue to explain this. It's not something you will just understand in a day, okay? But let's see. Now this is, look at this candle, okay? So after this candle is an uptrend. After the candle closed, as the candle opens, it pushes down. This is the pullback, then came back all the way to the top for profit. Can you see that? So if you look at this as well, so this candle, so this particular candle, this one closed here, then it came down all the way. You can see that it now closed, but there wasn't enough momentum to close all the way. Now you can see that's why we have this uptrend. It's like a continuation. Okay, now if this is for uptrend, now for downtrend, let me show you. Now for downtrend, now if you see this for a downtrend, now this is the candle closure. Okay, now if you look at the general trade, you can say this is a downtrend. Now if this was supposed to be a downtrend, then this green candle will be a pullback while the market continue to go down. Can you see that? So it closed here, so it's pushed back to the upside. Then before the end of the day, the market will now come all the way down. That's the reason why on the lower time frame, we either trade the external structure or the internal structure. Okay, so either way, we are still going to benefit if it's going to pull back from here or it's going to break out from here. That's why we are trading. So it's a very simple strategy. This is something you're supposed to get used to and continue to hit on this strategy. That's all you need. After that, the next thing is to begin to gather money to make a lot of profit. I can assure you that even this strategy has paid me a lot of money as well. So I also want you guys to also benefit from this. So nevertheless, that will be all. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. I'll be uploading this video on Telegram. I will also share this video exclusive for my that's my masterclass. Those who are in the masterclass, exclusively for them. Yeah. So for you to take my trade, you need to understand this. So if you have any question, I will be in the comment section to read whatever question you have so I can attend to them. So that will be it for this video. And guys, don't forget, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more and more videos that will help you to improve your trading. See you next. Bye for now.